The horror that we've suffered obviously cannot be described in words. The missile flew just over children. With their feet, they were holding the door. They were holding it firmly because the window glass and even the bricks began scattering around. The charity foundation, the Hand of the Angel, with a team of 10 men, came to Chernihiv district, to village Stara Basan, to help the local residents to restore the buildings that were totally or partially destroyed because of 12 days of occupation of the Russian army that entered this place in March 2022. I am the village head in Stara Basan, Nizhyn District, Chernihiv region. In March 2022, our village has suffered from the Russian occupation as well as the other villages and cities. 23 houses were burned down. More than 60 buildings were damaged. We call them shot buildings. The hosts were lying here on the floor. It's like a small corridor in the middle. One room is here, one room is there. When they began shooting at the house, my wife with a small child and me, I told my wife, lie down here, child was here, and I lied here. There was an explosion. A shell fragment flew just by my ear and hit the door. Even the sawdust flew. The shells were exploding, the door was constantly opening, I was holding it with the foot. The shells were flying into the kitchen, they were shooting them. The shells have punched the holes, they flew through the wall. Today we are working in such a nice building, Brother Maxim. Insulation of high quality. We will put the drywall on the ceiling also. They were shooting from APCs, throwing grenades. After the explosion, nothing is left. No floors, no ceilings. The TVs, the furniture were gutted. One shell got into the tiled stove and destroyed it. The slate on the roof is damaged and so on. Is it your house? Yes, over there. What they're looting? Of course. Scrap metal. They hit this car from APC by an explosive grenade. And it burned down completely. A shell broke through the wall and flew out. Now we are in another house, which was also hit by a shell. Brother Dima is repairing the wall. I was praying to God a lot to send me some people to help. I wouldn't be able to cope with it. I thought that I will spend the winter in ruins. But thanks God, such guys came, eagles, and they are helping me. You know, I'm walking the whole day today and I'm crying. It's so painful and joyous in my heart, and I'd like to hear the words of victory also. I'm very thankful to your organization for the good work that you are doing for us, because, if you're left alone with trouble, not everyone can endure. Thank you, and thank you once again. Goodbye, guys. Stay with God. The work is done, we can go on. Goodbye, Stara Basan.